like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a...
Hi guys, welcome back to Jeffrika TV, and today we'll be making turmeric soap. These are my ingredients: vitamin E oil, eucalyptus oil, shea butter soap base, and homemade turmeric oil. This is my silicone soap tray. This is the star of the show, my turmeric powder. Next, I'll be cutting my shea butter soap base. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces just to facilitate easier melting. I'm going to add these parts to my pot. I have gone ahead and heated some water in a bigger pot. Then I'm going to add the pot with my chopped shea butter soap base to facilitate melting. No, I did not add the soap base directly to the heat, but I made a double boiler. And as you can see, it has begun to melt. This is how it looks when it has been completely melted. Then I'm going to remove from fire and pour into my container. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric powder to my soap base. Going to give it a good stir to incorporate all that turmeric into the soap base. I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil, my homemade turmeric oil, and a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Then give that a good stir. There we go. Next, we're going to measure and we're going to pour in our soap mold. Now, turmeric, it has many benefits, both internally and externally. One of the major benefits is that it is anti-inflammatory. Now, inflammation is a root cause of many skin problems like eczema, rosacea, acne, premature lines, and wrinkles. So yeah, inflammation does a huge number on our skin. So, to keep our skin feeling supple and bright, it's vital to keep inflammation down. One way to do this is through anti-inflammatory topicals such as turmeric. Now I wanted to do like a little turmeric scrub soap thingy. So this is just me experimenting with adding a little sugar to some of my turmeric soap base. I'm going to add that to my mold. We're going to leave this to sit for at least 1 hour and we'll see what happens. Oh, I'm just adding some cinnamon to it. 1 hour later, and I'm going to pop my soap out of my molds, and those are beautiful. Smells amazing. I love the smell of eucalyptus oil. This is what I use on a day-to-day basis. Lather, lather, lather for beautiful, clear, bright skin.
Great movements of Jamaica movements. More life, more love, more strength, more togetherness.